Steal this lazy secret hack to find business leads. Generating business leads can often feel overwhelming, especially when you're pressed for time and need a large volume. But there's a simple and often overlooked hack that can make this process much faster, particularly when collecting email addresses for your marketing campaigns. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and finding leads, but accessing contact information can be challenging. You can only see someone's email address if they're a direct connection, posing a significant hurdle when reaching out to new prospects. Sending connection requests can take time and isn't always effective. LinkedIn's strict anti-spam policies also make it risky to directly ask for email addresses. However, there's a way around these limitations to streamline your lead generation efforts. Many LinkedIn users keep their email addresses private to avoid spam. But don't worry, there's a simple method to uncover a business prospect's email address using just their name. Let's dive into the steps. First, identify potential leads using LinkedIn's filtering feature. This tool helps you target your audience by criteria like location, industry, or job title, narrowing down a list of prospects that fit your business needs. Next, check each prospect's LinkedIn profile to see if their email address is listed. If not, add their name to a new spreadsheet dedicated to this lead generation method. Continue this process until you have a substantial list of names. The crucial step involves using a data append tool to access the email addresses. This tool allows you to match email addresses to the names in your spreadsheet, effectively filling in the missing information. When choosing a data append service provider, look for key features like a user-friendly interface. An intuitive platform ensures that users of all technical backgrounds can navigate it efficiently. Effective data matching is essential. Choose a provider that offers comprehensive and accurate cross-referencing to ensure your data, such as email addresses, is up to date. Speed and efficiency are vital. A good data append service processes information quickly, allowing you to implement your marketing strategies promptly without unnecessary delays. Compliance with privacy laws is non-negotiable. Ensure your chosen provider operates within legal frameworks, respecting individual privacy and adhering to data protection regulations. Data quality and reliability are paramount. Select a service known for high-quality verified data to minimize issues like incorrect email addresses. Look for providers sourcing data from various trusted sources. Responsive customer support can greatly improve your experience. Choose a service that offers helpful human interaction customer care to assist with any questions or issues. Searchbug's data append tool embodies these features, combining ease of use, accurate data matching, and fast processing. It also adheres to privacy laws and has a reputation for reliable data and responsive customer service. By utilizing a data append service like Searchbug, you can significantly improve your lead generation process, making it more efficient and effective in gathering email addresses. To elevate your lead generation process, visit www.searchbug.com today and discover how these tools can help you achieve your business goals faster and with greater precision. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.